Whether you're painting a landscape with lots of disparate parts like bunches of trees, or an animal with lots of disparate parts like eyes, mouth, and nose, you want to start thinking about not painting each disparate part as an island unto itself, but as a small part of a larger whole to make everything look attached and not have that cutout look with pieces parts all over your painting that don't hang together well. One way to do this is well illustrated by how I started the eyes in one of my newest Patreon tutorials of Sam the Tuxedo Cat. I painted the eye color, and then when the eyes were still wet, I painted the underpainting of blue that later will have black added for the fur, letting the two different parts melt in the eyes at the edges. But painting them in this way lays the groundwork for some of the eye color to bleed into the fur area and provide continuity and help the eyes not look like yellow cutouts placed on top of stark black fur. Be sure to go binge the rest of my content to learn not just the how but the why of watercolor painting so you progress faster on your watercolor journey. Now go watercolor your world.